Okay, there we go. I'm not a fan. I'm not gonna get sunburned.
Whatever.
Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. Soldier, today we make these look. Honestly, I'm probably gonna just scout or just watch out for the tactical. I hate the tactical. I got held down by one. Go, go, go!
Shoot the horn! Shoot the horn! Omar. That sounds weird.
I'm just walking. Oh, I can't even. Oh, goodness. Are they coming?
Yeah, they're coming your way. They're right in front of the building.
They're right here. What do I do now?
Go forward.
Use it as cover.
They're stalled. They can't do anything.
There's a guy in the window right there.
Guy in the window?
Yeah, we're blue.
Sounds like I'm not shooting anything.
Go get it! Yeah! Go, go, go!
I'm starting to hate this now. Because I'm trying to shoot at them, they get the perfect shot, and nothing comes out. Oh, here's shit. Are they starting again?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Come on, Mo, come on. Got you. No, fucking way out there.
Which way?
Behind. There's one behind. You can hear. Look at the one. You can see.
Well, this sucks. I'm in a very good spot to get shot at.
Let's get over here. Get over here. Hey. Hey! Behind you! Behind you! You guys gonna get in here? Oh, they're gonna get fucked.
Yep.
You good, Al?
You good?
I'm trying to get things to move.
Oh, the dude's standing there? Yeah.
Oh my god, they're coming back around.
Yeah. They're gonna go.
It's kind of a given.
Oh, fucker. Alright. You good?
Were you oriented? Oh shit.
Oh shit. Here they come around. They're right in front of us.
Hey, watch it.
Yeah, you got
Hell.
Nothing.
Why is semi? There we go. Why is semi doing full auto?
We need to get that flag down the right, dude. We really gotta get there.
Why is semi doing full auto?
Yeah, I'm gonna say.
They can take one to cancel.
Yeah, I'm about to know.
Oh, here comes Red. Oh, sorry.
You take my place.
Alright. I'll hold them down.
More of don't shoot me.
That's some Red daughters. They're coming back around. They're behind us. Yep, they're behind us. They're behind us now.
Fast, right side, right side. I mean left side, left side, left side. Watch the left side.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hey, shoot through the window.
Shoot through the window?
Yeah.
Oh, there's tactical. Right there. Well, that's wonderful. I have enough on here. I think so. I might be out of mag. Fuck. What is going on? They have us blocked? Where? $12 front? Oh my god, I don't think I'm low enough.
You're below the wood.
I am?
You are.
No, I'm not. Where are they? Are they behind us? I hope not.
No. No, that's our dude.
Oh. I was staying right here so that I could see.
Hello.
Hello. I see some heads sticking out. I don't know if that's our team or not. Oh shit.
Well, if they're pointing this way, probably not.
Well, now they're shooting this way.
We still hold majority flag.
Yes.
Move up, move up. That's how it's stopping you, so you didn't all the shooting. Well, you push too, we'll all push together. That's a team.
Okay. I'm changing out mag. Oh, what gun is it? Oh. Hold on. I'm changing out mag. I shall be back. Get in.
Oh, yeah. It barely seems. I got a burst fire. Good lord. I guess it's my bucking. Trying to crap out. Yeah. Let's see if we roll. Oh, yeah.
Alright. Let's see if I can get my gun to shoot, as I need it to.
Up in their pushing.
Oh, there's tactical. Coming around. Come on, hide up, hide. There's one on the other side of the building.
Oh my god!
Woo!
Truck out there. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Yeah, like out there.
Come out.
He has some red pointing right at his I'm sorry.
I got it pulled and ready. They're getting ready to come around these windows.
Get ready. Turn right behind us. 5, 4, 3.
Ah, he's way over there.
Damn.
See, the problem is even when you down them, they just respawn right where they are. I know.
What sucks?
Actually, they're just right behind you and no one's looking at them. Man, I threw the pin. I gotta hold this damn thing. Because I was gonna throw it.
That's not fast.
That's okay. Hold the left hand and shoot with the right.
Can I watch behind? I'm gonna watch from behind just in case. Turns around.
Hey!
Oh. How nice. Trying to figure out
Over the head bushes where that guy's walking.
Oh, here he comes.
Oh,
Gotta go right down this way. Right in front.
right here? No, that way, the front.
I mean, they can't go right there.
Ooh, damn.
They can't get past that doorway.
No.
So, as long as you're behind this doorway.
Hey, turn around.
No, but they will go behind us.
He turned around.
They'll go behind
Oh, got him. Woo!
Now I still gotta hold this damn thing.
Okay, and then wheels.
Maybe I can find it.
There's still someone behind that door. I'm trying to get them.
Well, I can peel it off. No, it's alright. Go ahead.
Where's that one guy?
Woo!
Yeah, I know.
There's two of that building.
One of the door, one in the back corner. Where?
Yeah.
Door and back corner. Oh, okay. If I could get
Well, that one you have to unscrew,
Wait,
don't you?
can we?
Just pull the pin
I can just pull auto on my gun, right? Or just semi.
I think we might have a red
Oh shit.
a red team at these blue barrels
Wow.
right over here.
How nice. You might want to stand just right there.
Yeah, don't peek around the corner.
Or you want to get shot at.
That's what you'd like from this.
I do like risking it. That guy. I can't tell what color he is. He hasn't picked his head. Can't pick more than his head. I'm out. Fuck. There's one in the open, moving left! One in the open, moving left! Got him. No, look left, left, left. He was way in the open.
He's way in the open?
Oh shit! Oh! We have major reinforcements coming in.
Major reinforcements.
Glory, what a hell of a way
to die.
Glory, glory, what a hell of a way to die. And we ain't gonna drop no more. Wow.
Okay. Nope, there's no window over here. Okay.
Right here.
So,
That's
how is the pin going in?
Where'd you throw the pin?
I hear him. Wait.
We can take out the control again. We'll make a run out there now.
Are we on that side now?
Right over there. You come around, you can kind of see it. Right over there. Okay.
What? Oh, Red got the castle. That's a castle, right?
Red got the castle. Castle. Right below the top of the stairs. Right behind John. Here comes that technical. Yeah.
Okay, I want to know where
Coming
to go.
out of the castle.
So
Right to the hay bale left of it. Crossing. Crossing ball.
Yeah, I'm gonna have. I can't get the. Oh shit. I hate this.
Yeah, if you looked at it, you got hit, yeah.
I got ricochet. Let's see.
Alright, I'm gonna move. Watch that.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Wow, what time is it?
I went and shot at him.
Sorry, sorry, guy! Sorry!
Oh, he got out. Got hit. Okay, so crazy shooter guy gone. Go, go, go.
Go, Chunker, go! Technicals up! Technicals up!
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Get back over here. Woo!
Go, 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 go. Shit. Look at grenade. Dang! We're safe. We're down, we're down, we're down. Get it!
Oh my god!
Jeez!
This makes it fun.
That was a tag in, right? Hey. Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright. You think you're safe. What's up?
I thought I was just holding this place down so we can keep the flag up.
What's up? Sorry! I'm not shooting at you now!
One at the door!
Point it down! Here, right side, left and right. I'm in the castle. Hey, get this tonight. Far right, far right.
Far
Like 5
right.
o'clock. 5 o'clock? Behind the blue.
Oh.
My 5, my bad. Definitely not your 5. That blue?
Yeah.
On the corner, behind those blue barrels. He was just shooting at me. Maybe he's dead now. I can't see.
He walked out. Whoever it was.
He almost got me. Another guy.
Oh, there he is.
You're
I
clear
see
around
him.
the building.
There's one behind the door.
Pistol guy! Hey, you're clear! Go ahead! Push it again! Push it in! You got it! Go!
There were like 7 on the fucking corner, okay?
Really?
I literally, no, I was pushing the corner about the front, and one of them put their heads out, and immediately went back in. And I could hear them. So fucking, I like held it for like 2 minutes, and I said fuck it. So I literally like dolphin dived like through the air as I turned the corner.
How long is our wait
There
time?
were so many holes in that corner.
30 seconds?
I'm just sitting here for about 2 good minutes. Let's see what's there.
You got water?
I'm good.
Is that gone?
I'm not thirsty.
Oh,
My leg cramped up.
turn around and get fucking shot.
Local, hey.
Oh, Vinny, no way.
Alright.
I'm about to pull some shit. I was right behind one of those big guys.
I was in the building. And then someone got me in the open window because I was held down.
Are you about to
One door.
Nope, I'm about to go commando.
Oh boy.
I eat.
Backpack.
As light as possible, as nice as possible, and just go to fucking town.
I'm gonna rest here for a second.
Breathe on it.
Because I've been hyper focused at 2 points. Then listening for tactical, so I'm trying to get mentally exhausted.
You gotta move on objective. No free rides.
That was all one of our objectives, keeping the flag up. Make sure no one gets to it.
Oh, that actually just hit him.
Oh. You killed him.
No, I would never.
Excuse me. And also being held down by tactical.
Yeah, well, I'm about to held down by, we're being held down by armored vehicles. You tell John. Get up there. Tell John.
Who's it down?
Hmm?
No, that's all you gotta do, brother. Like you said.
Okay. So, there are people on the road. They're also in the shower hiding right behind the
Gemini, you're also in the one kick out and like, yeah, I'm dead, I'm cool, and it's like, don't know where my... We want to take that deal. I'll hold that for you. It's this. Hurry up, magazine, pistol, rifle. When I'm down and desperate, I go light as possible and start running like a son of a bitch, Owen Red. Or Charles Quote.
Alright. Ready? I'm about ready.
Another gun.
Another gun?
Yeah, there's a Spectre. Yep, there he is.
He kept blowing his horn. What was it called? Bugle?
No, he's warning people about the sniper
rifle.
Oh, okay. Alright.
It's laying down a beat.
hurry up!
Hey!
You good? Got water?
Sometimes it happens to be that way, but...
Just mentally tired.
That's what that was, I mean. Yeah. They didn't make the ATV quiet.
I was holding down a building, make sure no one gets to it. And then I got shot.
So they're over there in the trails on the top of the hill.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh boy.
Yeah, keep seeing up there, don't you?
Jeez.
Whatever kid on red team's been like accused of not calling his kids, that boy's in pain right now.
Oh, I know.
I just caught like probably 5 of them right in his neck, and I watched every one of them fucking tap. Man,
I see two of
I made
them.
him fall. Like he literally tripped and ate shit and got behind cover.
My sniper maybe 100, 150, point blank 3 times, bam, bam, bam. The 4th time he split me off.
Me too. And it wasn't...
I'm trying to make him That's dripping my eye. Going down my face. Why is he trying to go in my eyes?
I just bumped my sensitivity all the way up so it's a hairpin trigger
You going that direction?
I'm sending it down
Don't do to get those idiots out of the way.
And we're not going to bother the Juggernauts mid-game.
Because I know I keep seeing y'all going back behind me and then going up through here.
That's probably what I'm going to do.
I mean, because they're not going to stop and then go tell them. And then, you know what I mean? Hey, they're not calling their fucking shots up there. Yeah, we were just talking about that. I just peppered one boy like 5 times. Yeah? Oh, good boy, he came out. And I shot him right here. And he unloaded on my ass. That's the topic of the day. I said, I got you, dude. Hey, you good?
Oh, man.
That's that little fat bastard.
Right there with some grass in your...
I think you're talking about the same guy. Whenever we were doing the Juggernaut game, I got the Juggernaut, so I was pushing up in the middle.
Could I do headshots if they're not calling a hit?
I mean, I shot him, and then he got mad, like, oh, I thought you were dead. I would have shot your ass. And I was like, the big guy? Yeah. The ginger dude? What color was the shirt he had? I don't know. No, this is big old dude.
Oh, but get that burn.
Was it ginger guy?
Oh.
No. Okay, so that's not that guy. So it's most. Yeah. So my guy. One of them had a really colorful shirt on. My guys are pinned down.
I'm staring at us.
Oh, the guy with the colorful. They're pinned down right there.
That hurt.
The guy with the colorful.
Okay, if I take my mask off, I have to take my helmet. Yeah.
Well, I still believe you. No. Over the hill right there.
Yeah, I went back here so I can clean my face off.
If you see the